Ever seen numbers like 10, 11, and wondered what they mean? Those are binary numbers, used by all computers. In this video, I'll show you the difference between binary and decimal and a super simple trick to convert between them. In our daily life, we use the decimal system, which has 10 digits, 0 to 9. But computers use binary, made of only zeros and ones. Why? Because computers understand electricity: on, 1, or off, 0. Here's the trick. Start from the right and label each digit with powers of 2. Multiply and add them up. Let's take 10, 11. That's 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1 equals 11 in decimal. Now let's go the other way. Convert 13 to binary. Divide by 2, write the remainder. 13 divided by 2 equals 6. Remainder is 1/6 divided by 2 equals 3. Remainder is 0, 3 plus 2, or 1. Remainder is 1, 1. 2 equals 0. Remainder 1. Now reverse the remainders. 1101 is the binary of 13. And that's it. Now you know how to convert between binary and decimal numbers easily. Want more quick computer science tricks like this? Like, comment, and subscribe to Soft Edge Academy.